God, I hate all you fuckers. Fuck! You gotta be fucking kidding me! I'm not sure how well this is going to come out, and I don't even know why I'm filming this because I'm so beyond pissed off right now. Yeah, I hit another fucking deer. This is not going to show up at all. Well, that's my beautiful Camaro. Look at how bad the core support is bent back. And do you see that right there? Do you see all that? That's deer fur. Yeah, that's right. Another fucking accident with the deer. This is, guys, I'm over this route to work. I can't handle this anymore. I just damaged my precious Camaro over this stupid drive. Oh my God, I can't handle this. There's the fucker there. It's dead. Thank God. Piece of fucking shit. Damn it. I can't believe this shit. Be lucky my insurance company don't cancel me after this. I'm waiting on a damn tow truck. I'm in the middle of nowhere and eaten up by mosquitoes. And it's dark. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so when you watch the next clip, it might not seem to make sense, so let me explain what happened. Is before I went and took the whole front end off the car, I did a video, but it turned out the microphone wasn't plugged in, so now I'm going to have to kind of redo it. So anyhow, there's a YouTuber, Sam Crack. He really blew up, or maybe he was bigger, I don't know, but he got a lot of attention when he did a Domino's pizza car. And what he does is he buys cars from Copart, and which is a salvage, you know, when the car gets totaled out or whatever like that, the insurance company sends them there to be auctioned, and he buys cars. And now a lot of YouTubers do that, and now I'm going to do it, but the only difference is I'm not going to Copart to buy them. I'm going to fix my own car. So this is going to be its own series. As I get parts in, as I fix it, I'm going to go ahead and shoot the videos of me getting my poor 50th Camaro SS fixed and back on the road. Fortunately, the damage isn't that bad. I really thought in the beginning, like this piece here, hopefully we can, that this was bent back, but it turns out that just is angled that way from the factory. That's that way. This piece right here is in good shape. It's just this bracket here and another bracket that's bent, which you'll see in the upcoming video. So this is not going to be that bad. It's just well, I'm going to go over it in the next shot, but it's going to be fairly simple. But I went to go ahead and put together the video, and then I was like, everything I talked about had no friggin' audio, so I was just like, I just need to go ahead and reshoot it so that way I can explain what's going on. And then as I'm doing this, I'm like, it's not gonna make sense when I'm talking about stuff, because the next shot I'm like, hey, I'm glad I took the car apart, and you're gonna be like, wait a minute, you already had the car apart, because you can see it here. So anyhow, insurance adjuster came the other day, and I'm sorry I didn't film it. He showed up like right when I got back from work, and he estimated around $8,000 worth of damage, which probably makes sense. I mean, you're talking about $1,200 just headlight on these cars, because you had the LED strip, it's HID, and it's got 2 ballasts on the damn thing. So I mean, these cars are just damn expensive. Anyhow, I just need to reshoot this and add to the video, and hopefully all this makes sense, because I hate having to go back and redo something, especially after the fact that I've already done some stuff. So anyways, on to the next scene. So glad I took the time to take all this apart. Now I know exactly what I'm going to need to get the car fixed. So we'll start right here at this wiring harness, this big monster harness. We'll go right here. One leg goes into this fuse box. This other wire right here that comes out of it goes right here. Then we follow it down. This connector, that quick disconnects. It comes up here to this ground, and then we have another harness that looks like it goes right there to the latch. It's probably for the remote start. And then the other harness just goes over here to something. So hopefully that won't be too hard. Next, I'll need another headlight, and then I'm not sure if these ballasts are part of the headlight. You can see one there that I believe is probably for the headlight, and then there's another one, this silver box right there. Anyways, right there you kind of see the silver is the ballast for the LEDs, or I could have that backwards. This bracket right here, there's a second one right here, which as you can see is quite bent. So we'll need that. We'll also need a new bumper piece here. You can see that's pretty bent. I'm gonna need a new auxiliary radiator, because right there is the fitting that goes, and that's broke. And then there's a shield on the back of the radiator that's also broke, along with the wheel well liner that goes in here. So yeah, not too bad. Over here at the bumper, this is what I was really curious about, but yeah, I will need the new styrofoam piece, and this plastic piece here is destroyed, and I'll need a LED, my daytime running light, because this is all that's left of it. See that right? Matches kind of over there where it says left. This whole thing to balance the box, all that's gone. It's just no idea. So there's 3 ballasts on each side of this car, and I'll need all 3. So the headlight, the 3 ballasts, wiring harness, that bumper piece, the bracket, auxiliary radiator, the shroud, this metal bracket, and then that metal bracket which I showed you earlier I was trying to bend, and of course the fender. And I think there's a piece right here. And I'll need a set of horns, because over here, if you look, these are completely mangled. That bracket is not supposed to be all bent up like that. And the plug pulled out and broke the clip, so we'll need the horns and the clip. But this is good. At least now I know exactly what the car needs, and when the adjuster comes, he has easy access to everything, and he can agree with what I'm saying. And as soon as we get some money rolling in, man, we'll start the repairs. Hopefully, my game plan is to get the bumper and the fender in as soon as possible. We'll get those out to the body shop, start getting them painted, and then while that's off, I'm going to get everything else. The headlight mounted, the harness fixed, the radiator. And then that way when I get the bumper and fender, bolt them on, and then she'll be back on the road. So go ahead and make sure you subscribe. You're going to want to watch me rebuild this car, and then watch me go ahead and run down some other cars with this beautiful Pro Charger right here. Oh yeah. We're going to make some boost, and we're going to do some crazy stuff with this car and the whole channel. So go ahead and subscribe. If you don't know the channel, I'm a car enthusiast, disabled veteran, and I throw in a lot of life stuff too, because I don't have the money to sit there and mod my car every day. So go ahead and help me out. Hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, because I've had a really bad time here. There's just 2 cars within just over a month I've had a deer incident with, so it just is unfreaking believable. So again, thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll see you around for some more rebuilding.